Ever pondered the question, what is time? Are we simply following the ticking hands of a clock? Or is there more beneath the surface? Time. It's an enigma that has baffled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. It's something we use every day, yet can't see, touch, or hold. We often think of it as a linear path, a straight line that leads us from the past, through the present, and into the future. Every tick-tock, every minute, every hour, every day, we are moving forward, never backward. But is it really that simple? Or is there more to this concept that we call time? From the moment we wake up, to the moment we go to sleep, we're constantly aware of time. We're born, we live, and we die, all in what seems to be a straight line. But what if we told you that this linear understanding of time is just one way of looking at it? Imagine for a moment that you're standing on a mountain peak. From where you stand, you can see the sunrise in the east and the sunset in the west. You can witness the past, present, and future all at the same time. This is a metaphor for how some thinkers view the nature of time, not as a straight line, but as a vast landscape that we can observe from different perspectives. Consider a river. From the river's source to its mouth, it represents a journey from the past to the future. However, from a bird's eye view, you can see the entire river at once, the source, the journey, and the mouth. This view challenges our everyday linear perspective of time. So if our understanding of time is not just about following a straight path from the past to the future, then what could it be? Could time be a multi-dimensional entity? Could the past, present, and future exist simultaneously, just viewed from different angles? So, if time isn't just a simple, straight line from the past to the future, what could it be? The brilliant mind of Stephen Hawking proposed a groundbreaking theory. What if time is vertical? Now let's take a moment to wrap our heads around this. Most of us perceive time as a straight line, a relentless march forward from the past, through the present, and into the future. But what if it's not? What if time, instead of being a flat, linear path, is more like a soaring skyscraper, reaching up into the heavens? This is the essence of Hawking's concept of imaginary time. But what is imaginary time? Well, it's not the kind of imaginary you might be thinking. It's not about make-believe or daydreams. No, imaginary time is a concept from the realm of quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe. To put it simply, imaginary time is a direction of time, orthogonal or at right angles to what we know as regular, real time. Just as we can move freely in 3 dimensions of space, up and down, left and right, forward and backward, Hawking suggested that we may also move in this 4th dimension, this imaginary time. But how can we visualize this? Well, think of a roller coaster. It's not just a straight line, right? It twists and turns, loops and dives, climbs and falls. Now imagine that roller coaster again. But instead of moving forward on a flat plane, it's actually climbing upward, each twist and turn representing a moment in time. That's a rough but hopefully helpful analogy for Hawking's vertical time. Sounds wild, doesn't it? But remember, this is the same man who brought us black holes and the Big Bang Theory, and his ideas have fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. So, while it may seem strange, it's not beyond the realm of possibility. So, if time is vertical, it could mean that every moment exists simultaneously. Intriguing, isn't it? Have you ever experienced déjà vu, that strange feeling that you've lived this moment before? It's a peculiar sensation, isn't it? Like a glitch in the matrix, a hiccup in your brain, a fleeting instance where time seems to fold onto itself. Déjà vu, French for already seen, is an intriguing phenomenon that for a fleeting moment can make us question our understanding of time and space. It's as if our mind is playing a trick on us, offering a brief peek into a parallel universe or a previous life. Could it be that we're brushing up against a different timeline or tapping into a memory from a life we've already lived? This unexpected and uninvited guest in our consciousness, this mysterious sense of familiarity, is a tangible example of how our perception of time and space can sometimes get muddled. Could these experiences be a window into the true nature of time? Could these moments of déjà vu be little slips in time revealing its true non-linear nature? Quantum physics, the study of the smallest particles in the universe, may hold some answers to our time conundrum. Let's dive into the quantum realm, a place so minuscule that the rules of classical physics no longer apply. Here, particles can be in 2 places at once, exist in all states until observed, and even influence each other regardless of the distance separating them. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's the baffling and beautiful world of quantum mechanics. Quantum physics introduces a fascinating idea. All moments exist simultaneously. Yes, you heard it right. In the quantum realm there's no past, present, or future, there's only the now. This suggests that time, as we perceive it, isn't linear, but rather a vast landscape of nows. But how does this align with Hawking's concept of vertical time? Well, Hawking proposed that time isn't a straight line stretching from the past to the future. Instead, he saw it as a vertical dimension, with all moments stacked upon each other. If you think about it, this vertical notion of time beautifully complements the quantum perspective. Both theories suggest that all moments, past, present, and future, coexist. Now let's take a moment to ponder this. If every moment exists at once, then every moment that you've ever lived, are living, or will live, is happening right now. Your first day at school, your last birthday, or even your future retirement party, they're all taking place. But how is this possible? Well, quantum physics doesn't provide a straightforward answer. But it does challenge our understanding of time and space, prompting us to question our perception of reality. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing a core that's both complex and intriguing. So, if quantum physics is correct, then every moment you've ever experienced, are experiencing, or will ever experience is happening right now. Mind-blowing, isn't it?